Do you love olive oil? Drizzle it on salads. Use it for cooking. Maybe even take a spoonful straight from the bottle. We've all been there. But what if I told you that just 2 tablespoons a day could completely transform your health? From heart health to brain power, it turns out this delicious oil packs a serious punch. In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind olive oil to see exactly what happens to your body when you incorporate this Mediterranean staple into your daily routine. Let's get started. Starting with number 8, heart health. Olive oil is super important for keeping your heart healthy because it's packed with good fats, especially one called oleic acid. Adding olive oil to your meals regularly can really help lower your chances of getting heart disease. Oleic acid, which is the main fat in olive oil, does a lot to keep your heart strong by helping control your cholesterol levels. It lowers the LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, often called the bad kind, which can clog up your arteries and cause plaque. At the same time, olive oil helps raise the levels of HDL, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, known as the good kind. HDL cholesterol helps clean up extra cholesterol in your blood, taking it to your liver to get rid of it. This stops plaque from building up and keeps your arteries healthy. Making olive oil a regular part of your diet, along with living a balanced lifestyle, is key to keeping your heart healthy for a long time. Bringing us to number 7, anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is well known for its strong ability to reduce inflammation, thanks to its high content of antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. These special compounds help decrease inflammation in the body. Vitamin E, which dissolves in fat, protects cell membranes from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals, thus lowering inflammation. Polyphenols, another type of powerful antioxidants found in large amounts in olive oil, also help reduce inflammation. Regularly consuming olive oil can reduce levels of inflammation markers, like C-reactive protein, CRP, which are often high in chronic inflammatory diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and some cancers. Adding olive oil to your diet can help lower the risk of these chronic diseases, leading to better overall health. Before we continue to the next benefit on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Number 6, we have improved digestion. Olive oil does wonders for your digestion because it helps your body make more bile in the gallbladder. Bile is super important for breaking down and soaking up fats in your digestive system. When you eat olive oil, it tells your body to make more bile, which helps break down fats better. This makes it easier for your body to use the fats you eat and soak up important fat-soluble vitamins that your body needs for lots of different things. Not only does olive oil help with fat digestion, but it also makes your digestive system work smoother. It acts like a lubricant, making it easier for things to move through your intestines. This can help with problems like constipation and make your digestive system feel better overall. Even though the science behind how olive oil helps with digestion is a bit complicated, the bottom line is simple. Adding olive oil to your diet can really help your digestion work well, making you feel more comfortable and healthy overall. Let's move on to number 5, weight management. Olive oil can actually help with managing weight, even though it's high in calories. It's true that olive oil has a lot of calories, but it's different from other fats because it's mostly made of monounsaturated fats, which are good for you. These fats can make you feel full for longer after eating, so you're less likely to feel hungry soon after a meal. Adding olive oil to your food can help you feel satisfied with smaller portions and prevent you from eating too much. Plus, olive oil can make your meals taste really good, which can make you less tempted to eat unhealthy foods that are high in calories. By making your dishes tastier, olive oil can help you enjoy your food without needing to add extra stuff that's not as good for you. Number 4 on our list is brain health. New studies suggest that the healthy fats and strong antioxidants in olive oil might help keep your brain in good shape. People who eat olive oil regularly seem to have a lower risk of losing their memory and thinking skills as they get older, which could mean better brain health throughout life. The main healthy fat in olive oil, called oleic acid, seems to do a lot to protect your brain. It helps keep the outside of brain cells strong, which helps them talk to each other better and work well. Plus, these fats might help reduce swelling and stress in the brain, which are linked to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect your brain from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. By getting rid of these free radicals, olive oil keeps your brain cells healthy. Bringing us to number 3, skin and hair health. Olive oil is like a superhero for your skin and hair, thanks to all its good stuff like antioxidants and moisturizing abilities. The antioxidants in olive oil, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, help keep your skin safe from damage caused by things like sunlight and pollution. They fight off harmful molecules that can make your skin look older, like wrinkles and spots, helping you keep a youthful glow. But that's not all. Olive oil is also great at keeping your skin hydrated and soft. When you put it on your skin, it creates a barrier that locks in moisture, keeping your skin from getting dry. And guess what? Olive oil isn't just for your skin. It's awesome for your hair, too. Its moisturizing powers can help tame frizz, prevent split ends, and keep your hair from feeling dry. Regular use of olive oil can make your hair look healthier, shinier, and overall better. Let's move on to number 2, blood sugar regulation. Olive oil has been associated with potential improvements in how sensitive the body is to insulin and how it controls blood sugar levels. This is great news for people managing diabetes or at risk of it. Studies suggest that adding olive oil to your diet might help your body process glucose better, possibly lowering the risk of insulin resistance and helping you control your blood sugar levels more effectively. These discoveries emphasize the potential of olive oil as an important part of dietary plans aimed at managing diabetes and supporting overall metabolic health. Number 1, we have cancer prevention. Some research suggests that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in olive oil might help lower the risk of certain types of cancer, like breast and colon cancer. These natural features of olive oil have caught the interest of scientists because they seem to protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, which are factors in cancer development. Although more studies are necessary to fully understand how much olive oil can prevent cancer, including it in a healthy diet full of fruits, veggies, and whole grains might provide some protection against these types of cancer. As we wrap up this enlightening journey into the benefits of incorporating just 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your daily routine, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the incredible effects it can have on your body. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant, and keep nourishing your body with the goodness of olive oil.